Now, since this molecule is moving very, very slow, it stops the organ from dying and, just getting all gross and unusable. So, that's how just putting the organ on ice works, because when molecules are chilled, they don't go very fast, like Stephanie's molecule, and they go kind of slow and just vibrate in place, like my molecule. Now, moving on to our last demonstration. My hands are very cold. We are going to simulate kind of what a blood test looks like. Now, if you remember from our last portion, if you were paying attention, the second step of blood typing goes, it's called back typing, I think, backtracking or something. And so what they do is they take a portion of a blood sample they know to be type A or type B or something like that. I'm struggling way too much here. Probably should have gotten some blood with that. Boop. There we go. And they put it in a petri dish. Let's just say this Tupperware dish is my petri dish. And then they get your blood, which we're going to say here is type A, simulated by these green pieces of, what is this, construction paper. And then what they do is they basically suck out all the cells and all the liquid, so you're just left with the antibodies and all that jazz. That's going to go into my sink. And so, as you can see here, the blood cells match, seeing as the sample, the known type A blood, matches with your blood. And that will happen for type A, type B, but type O is a little different, seeing as type O doesn't really match with any of the other blood types, because, it's unique. It's gotta feel different. And so, represented by the yellow construction paper pieces, the same thing happens. But we'll use the type B known blood sample for this portion. And so they'll mix it with, I'm struggling still way too much here. They'll mix it with type B blood, and then again suck out all the blood cells, or, well, liquid, all that jazz. And then, as you can see, the type O blood does not match with the type B blood. And then they would do this with type A blood, and seeing as it doesn't match, they can determine that your blood is type O. So that sets you up as the universal donor. But you're the worst type of blood to, receive transfusions and things like that. But you can save many lives. You didn't, why? Because, well, so type A blood is, type AB blood is recognized as the most efficient for accepting blood types. It can accept all types of blood, AB, A, B, and O, because it recognizes all of them. But O blood is the worst because O blood can only receive O donations. So, thank you for watching our video. Once again, I am Jamie Zimmerman. This is
Stephanie Gordon.
And behind the camera is our beautiful cameraman, Ben Ben, and we are Team Winterfell. Thanks for watching.